Here we go. I'm live. Okay, so here's our review. Number one, first of all, these are corresponding angles because it makes the F. Do you guys see it? Makes the F. So to solve for y, corresponding angles are equal. Y is equal to 61 degrees. Easy peasy. Corresponding angles. Okay. Number two, you've got either vertical angles here, right? Those are vertical angles, but to get y, we're going to have to use, we could use our z, which is our alternate interior angles, or you could use your corresponding angles.
So you also have to do x for the first one?
Yeah, let's do x first. So to get x, let's use corresponding angles. All right, so here's my f. Let's do x first. So I got 8x. So I got corresponding angles. Corresponding angles makes the f. I got 8x equals 96. Right? Divide x equals 12, right? So now we can get y. Okay. So I get y because 11y plus 19 equals 96. Same thing here. So I'm just going to go to get y. I'm going to put it up here because I'm going to run out of room. Okay. So I'll say these two are equal by alternate interior angles. I can go 11y plus 19 equals 96. Okay. Does that make sense? You guys can see the z. These two are equal, or you can say by vertical angles, right? And then minus 19, I need a calculator for that. Clear. 96 minus 19, 77. Divide by 11, and y is 7. How's that? Okay, number 3. If I get going too fast, tell me, okay? Number 3, I'm going to find x first, and I definitely see my alternate interior angles. You guys see the z? So I've got alternate interior angles. I'm going to abbreviate, but alternate interior angles. And so then I can say that 42 is equal to 8x plus 2. I'm going to go minus 2, 40 equals 8x. Divide by 8, x is 5, okay? So now, to get y, I'm going to use the same side supplementary. That's what I like to call them, the same side supplementary. And they're supplementary. These two have to add up to 180, okay? See the C? These two add up to 180. They don't look equal at all. This angle doesn't look equal to that, but they do. So if we've got to put this one up here, 6 times my 2y minus 3
Did you slow it down a little?
equals, yeah, 42. Okay, I'll slow it down. Okay. So no, I did it wrong, but that's okay. Plus 42 equals 180. Mars, I'll step away now. Sorry, I almost made a mistake, Mars. So those two have to be supplementary. They're not equal. They don't even look equal, do they? This angle here in green and this angle here in green, they don't look equal at all. One's little and one's big, right? They do add up to 180. Mars, give me a thumbs up when you're caught up. Okay, so let's solve for y in this case. These two angles are supplementary. Add up to 180, so I've got a 12y minus 18 plus 42 equals 180. Because all I did was distribute. That's all I did. Okay. What's negative 18 and 42? I don't know. Negative 18 plus 42. I like calculators. Do the job for you. 24. So we really have a 12y plus 24 equals 180, right? Go minus 24. I know 180 minus 24. 156. Get 12y equals 156. I'll divide by 12. And I get 13. Kind of squished in there, but it's all there, okay? How am I doing? Okay, I see one thumbs up. Only one, two. I see 2, 3, 4, 5 thumbs up. 6, 7. All right, not bad. 8. Ethan, you can give me a thumb sideways. It's okay. You've been gone for a while, huh? Okay, skew lines. Okay, so here's my box. There's lots of correct answers. 2 lines that won't intersect that aren't parallel. So I'm going to go with A, B, and maybe CF. You guys okay with that? Maybe line A, B, and line CF. I mean, there's lots of answers. There's AB with GE. There's AB with HF, right? There's CD with maybe HG, but there's lots of answers, okay? Parallel lines. Well, there's lots of answers to parallel lines, right? How about AB with the CD? How about AB with line parallel to line, maybe CD? So there's lots of answers. Parallel lines, that's easy, right? Lots of perpendicular lines. I'm just going to go with AB with AC, okay? AB perpendicular to AC. All right, these are easy. You guys agree? Easy, easy, easy. Parallel planes, gosh, maybe the front of the box and the back of the box. And, you know, I'm just going to go plane. I'm going to go ACEG. ACEG. That's the front of the box with the back of the box with plane BDFH. BDFH. Okay? So I'm just, you only need 3 points to describe a plane, but all 4 points makes it easy, right? You can see the front of the box and the back of the box, right? Front of the box ACEG and the back of the box BDFH. Okay? So I'm just doing the front of the box and the back of the box, okay? And there's lots of answers, you guys agree? There's other planes that are parallel, correct? How am I doing? That should be easy. Should be tomorrow, right? Everybody agree? Should be easy? I mean, you guys already know this stuff. You probably learned this stuff probably in middle school. Okay, slide up, okay? Okay, angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5. Angle 1 and angle 5 make the F, don't they? Angle 1 and angle 5 make the F. So angle 1 and angle 5 are corresponding angles. 1 and 8. You guys see 1 and 8? Those are going to be alternate exterior. 1 and 8, alternate exterior. Two and seven, I see the Z, right? They alternate and they're in the interior, so how about alternate interior? Two and three kind of make a V, don't they? See how they make a V? 2 and 3 make a V. Vertical angles. Huh, 1 and 8. Why did I put that in there twice? Oh well. Because I just make mistakes, don't I, huh? 1 8 alternate exterior angles. You guys agree with that? Yeah. Okay, turn the page, or am I going too fast? Am I good? All right, now here's our hard problem. All right, you ready? Let's go through it step by step by step, okay? So, first of all, we want to find the slope of line L. Okay, the slope has got to be up, 2 over 1, up 2 over 1. Okay, so it's the same problem we did on our warm-up. I did that on purpose. So that way you can see it again. Slope of line L is up 2 over 1. You guys agree with that? So the slope of a perpendicular line is going to be, what's it going to be? -1/2. Right? Figure with that?
Yeah.
So what now I want to do is I want to draw the line. So I'm going to start at P. And I'm going to start at P and I'm going to go down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Okay? So I'm just going to draw it in. I'm going to start at P. I'm going to go down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. Down 1 over 2. And then I'm going to get that line. Okay? All right. Okay, the equation. Well, the equation, let's just do it the easy way. You guys, can you see the equation? We know it's down over 2 and it crosses through positive 2, right? You remember y equals mx plus b, right? Instead of using the formula, this is so much easier. How about y equals -1/2 x plus 2? That's the easy way, right, Bailey? Now, what's the solution to the two lines?
2, 1.
Yeah, it's the point where they intersect. The solution is at the point 2, 1. Awesome. Is this getting easier? Second time around? Tay, what do you think? Getting easier second time around?
Yeah.
What do you think, Mars? A little bit easier? Okay. And then finally the distance. Now you can use the distance formula, or you can make a right triangle and use Pythagorean's theorem, right? I'm going to use the distance formula just because I find that some kids can't find the triangle, which is okay if you can't find the triangle. But point P is at 1, 2, 3, 4, -4, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and the point of intersection is at the point 2, 1. So my points are point A, actually point P, sorry, point P, -4, 4, and point, I know, we've been calling that point B, let's call it point B.
Wait, how did you get 3, 1 from the bottom of the triangle?
3, 1, 3, 1. Oh, it's a 2, 1.
That's,
Okay, Mars is 2, 1. Sorry, did it look like a 3?
oh, there it is.
Okay. Point B is 2, 1. Yeah, I'll scoot it right to there, okay? So I've got, and I'll scoot back up, I've got P, which is right there, and B. So I want to find the distance. You can use Pythagorean's theorem, right? If you want to do a squared plus b squared equals c squared, or you can use the distance formula. Either way, I'm going to use the distance formula. x2 minus x1, y2 minus y1, right? So every point has an x and y, x1, y1, x2, y2. I'm going to plug them in and I'll be done. Alright, so it is going to be parentheses 2 subtract a -4 squared plus a 1 subtract a 4 quantity squared. I've plugged them in. That's all. Into the distance formula. Double negatives. Let's just make that a plus. So what I have is this 6 squared plus a -3 squared, which probably concurs to our Pythagorean's theorem, doesn't it already? Yep. So then I'm going to have 36, not 12, 36 plus positive 9, because negative times negative is positive, right? Square root of 45, and Elsa, what did you say that was? 6.7. Okay, there it is. Thanks, Elsa. Okay, that's it. That's it. What do you think? Can you do it? Well, I think so. Okay, so I do have a homework assignment, but it's going to be a handout.